Spiritual meaning of cranes. Cranes hold profound spiritual symbolism across cultures. 1. Longevity and wisdom. Revered for their long lives and profound wisdom, symbolizing spiritual growth and longevity. 2. Grace and elegance. Known for their graceful movements, teaching dignity in navigating life's challenges. 3. Divine messengers, seen as conduits between earthly and spiritual realms, conveying messages from higher beings. 4. Transformation and renewal. Symbolize personal growth, renewal, and the cyclical nature of life through their migrations. 5. Harmony and cooperation. Depicted in pairs or groups, embodying harmony, cooperation, and balance in relationships. 6. Resilience and adaptability. Adaptable birds, symbolizing resilience and strength in navigating life's changes. 7. Spiritual protection. In Native American traditions, they offer spiritual guidance and protection on life's journey. 8. Creativity and inspiration. Inspire creativity and artistic expression through their beauty and movements. 9. Patience and perseverance. Teach patience and waiting for the right opportunities to unfold. 10. Mindfulness and awareness. Encourage mindfulness, connecting with nature and spiritual insights. Cranes symbolize wisdom, grace, transformation, resilience, and spiritual guidance, inspiring growth and harmony in life.